You're watching Dancehall and News TV. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so yet so you can be notified of new uploads. And now your dancehall news. The final Footloose Retro Party for 2017 is set to unfold next Saturday, December 16th, at the Mass Camp Stadium North in St. Andrew. Dubbed the Showtime Edition, the event will feature a performance from dancehall veteran Beenie Man. We are pulling out all the stops to make this an extra special one for our patrons. It's Christmas and this is our way of saying thanks to our patrons for their continuous support, promoter Tyrone Dixon of Broadway Productions told Jamaica Observer. While not revealing who will be in charge of the retro music that patrons have come to appreciate at all Footloose parties, Dixon hinted that patrons can expect to be taken on a musical voyage. We want to take the patrons on a musical voyage back in time as they relive the hits that they danced to while reliving some great memories, he said. Beenie Man, who ruled the dance hall in the 1990s, is expected to unleash his large catalog of chart toppers including World Dance, Old Dog, Zimmed Simma, Who Am I, and Back It Up. Sponsored by Stone's Ginger Wine, this is the fourth staging of Footloose for the year. The series continues to attract loyal patrons with each staging since its inception in 2006, credit to Kevin Jackson of the Jamaica Observer. And that is the news. Be sure you like and share the video. Until the next video, big up to SoFlo TV and Mix Up and Things channel. I am out.